In this session, we're going to look at the matter of graphs. Graphs are an ideal way of visualizing data. They are much more comprehensible, easier to understand than large tables of figures. In English we say, a picture paints 1,000 words. And this is very true when we compare a graph with data. There are different types of graphs. For example, we have pie charts, which are round, and bar graphs, for example, as you can see on the screen now, and bar graphs horizontal. The pie graph, pie as in something sweet we can eat, and then we have different types of lines, etc. But today we're mainly interested in bar graph and pie graph. And the columns. So, when we have a set of data, we select the data and we choose the chart wizard, and we need to put in the data range, which is what happens when you select the amount of data. Now, you can have the data series in rows or in columns, and this time we're going to have a look at series in columns. Now, the first column can be a label. For example, we would have here months, and the second column might be called number of hours absent, but here we're doing it without that. Then we have data sets and chart selection. Now here it's important to provide this key information. What is the title of this graph? And we can provide a subtitle if we like, not essential. Then on the x-axis we're going to put the months, and on the y-axis we're going to have the number of hours, total number of hours of students absent. We also need to display a legend, and we can choose left, right, top, bottom as to where we want it. Then we click on finish and we see our graph here, a nice bar graph.